Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is May 14 on Thursday. The time is around 3 a.m. GMT. So today we will be looking at the chart of the Russell 2000 RTY. We can see right here in this chart we are currently in this wave 2 pullback. So that means we are correcting a wave 1 as we are in the wave 2, and we can see the subdivision of this wave 2 will be in the blue degree here. So we got wave A, wave B, and wave C. In other words, this is in the form of a zigzag in this wave 2, and if you want to know the subdivision furthermore, the C leg, for example, is in a 5 waves, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 3 in red is also subdivided into another 5 waves in the lesser degree. The B bounce is in the form of a zigzag A, B, C in the lesser degree, and the A of course will be in a 5 waves. The B is in a zigzag, and the C is in another 5 waves. Alright, so you have a beautiful ABC on the B, and then now doing a C leg, and this decline, the first leg here is an ABC. So then we should be soon approaching a support area in which you will find equality in the C compared to the A. So if I sort of zoom out a little bit and looking at the larger degree, you can see here in the 4-hour chart, and this is a partial label. Okay, this is a partial label. You can see right here in the rally from March 19, this is the COVID-19 low, is in the form of a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are now in the wave 2 pullback, just like the 1-hour chart here is showing wave 2 pullback, and currently we are in the process of ending wave 2. This is our wave 1, or it could be an A, doesn't matter, to be honest, could be an A, but this is in the form of a 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and soon we should be finding support as the C here in the third swing is going to be soon equal to the first swing. So then from here we can expect to find some sort of support which has two different outcome. First outcome of course is going to extend higher like this in the wave 3 or wave C. Second outcome is going to only bounce to correct these 3 waves. Okay, it's only bouncing, and then but the bounce is going to fail to break to a new high above this and then do a double zigzag. So that is two different possibilities in the aftermath of this move to the downside, but this area can potentially see support. Now what could be sort of something that will deny this? Well, what can deny this is the move lower here. Instead of an ABC zigzag, it could be an impulse, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now if it is an impulse, then it could change a lot of things. So how do we know if this is going to turn out to be an impulse or whether this is an ABC? Well, that depends on the extension of this third swing, because an impulse technically is also a 5 waves in the first swing and a 5 waves in the third swing in an impulse. So technically you don't really have any difference between an ABC and 1, 2, 3. So the only way you know that this is possible to be an impulse is how long is your wave, how long is your third swing, right? Because in an impulse, typically wave 3 is the strongest, the longest wave. So typically wave 3 can reach the 161.8% extension. But in this case, we will know whether this is an ABC or possibly can become an impulse by how extended this move lower is. If it ends between 100% and 123.6%, then this is likely to be a zigzag, but it keeps continue to go down and reach even the 161.8% here, which is 1091. So if it keeps going down all the way to 1.618.8, so then that will give it a higher chance or higher risk that this is in fact an impulse from the peak 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. All right, but otherwise because we do have a 5 ways up from the low, we favor this view right here, that this is only a correction and this is not a new impulse on the downside, and so we expect this area can see support at least for 3 bounce, if not going to new high. Okay, so hope you enjoyed the video. Please do like and subscribe our channel, and as always, feel free to take our 14 days free trial if you are new to our service. We cover 72 instruments from Forex, indices, and commodities. Feel free to check out our service, and the link will be provided in the description of the video below. And I'll see you all again next time. Have a nice day to you all.